What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. Today we taking a ride on the GT350r. Man, this shit beautiful, bro. What you doing, bro? What's up? This shit's so loud. The way when I be behind you, bro, and your shit just be burbling, bro, that shit is so crazy. And the downshit is crazy as fuck. This is so hard. Faster than my shit. I forgot what it's like driving manual, bro. When you just put that motherfucker, bro. I forgot about that feeling, bro. You might make me trade my shit in for a manual, bro. I forget about that. I love the 10-speed, but that's different.
Yes, sir. Especially you get some power behind it.
Yeah.
It's on. And you can always listen to your exhaust. Like I don't gotta wait for my car to be in like 4th gear to hear my exhaust. I can just be in whatever gear to hear my exhaust.
Yeah. How many speeds is it?
6. And in 6th gear it shuts up. So I can like cruise.
Yeah.
And it sounds like a inline 4 when it shuts up. From this loud to like barely anything.
This shit's so hard. Yeah, I'm giving me one, bro. I'm getting me one, bro. I gotta keep grinding, bro. I gotta give you one of these.
Now we're in track, so it's gonna get a little. That was smart.
I didn't even know you could change. You can change that.
Yeah.
When you put it in race, does it lower your suspension or anything, or no?
No, it just stiffens. You look like you sitting all the way up, nigga. Like relax.
I ain't even moving because I'm on edge right now. This thing crazy, bro. This a race car.
Yeah, it's gonna take us the way of all the lights. It's not gonna put us on the free
This shit's so Bro, but the Jeep was looking at us, bro. Is that just you letting off the gas?
Yep.
Jeez. What causes that?
So I am slightly touching the gas pedal. So I'll go from like full or half throttle or whatever.
Yeah.
Once I raise it to a certain RPM, depending on what gear I'm in, it's between like 4 to 5K.
Yeah.
And I just slightly press on the gas, it'll do that.
So that's probably what makes my car probably too.
Sometimes, yeah. It's it also happened in my Rush, but not as well as the 350s do it.
Yeah.
Every single 350 does it the exact same way. Yeah, all the time, no matter what. I can do it at any time that I want with any RPM. I really don't
1 minute later.
Oh my God. Bro, that shit is instant. That shit is instant. What was that? Was that like a 110? What was that like? Was that like 40 to like 110?
It was like 60 to 110, yeah. Tires aren't warmed up, so I was spinning in second gear.
Yeah.
It was still doing
I want an automatic. Actually, you know what? I already got an automatic because I want to keep my car forever, bro.
Okay.
But so I might get a manual again. But this shit.
The GT350, the Mach 1, or like the Dark Horse,
Yeah.
all of them come with a Trimic. So you gonna have fun if you get one of those three models.
That shit looks fucking blacked out.
Oh no, it's a Camaro.
Yeah. You might want to.
Yeah, it's a V6.
Bro ran away. It's insane. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You motivated me to get a. I want a Shelby next, bro.
I'm telling you, man. When I first, you want to hear the story?
What?
So I had the Roush, right?
Yeah.
The Roush was fun. It was making like 640 to the tire. It was like hella fun. But it was an automatic, and I was like, this thing is giving me a headache a little bit. Like just like having all the power when you want it, it's giving me a headache. And I was daily driving it at the time. So I go, and one of my boys, I go to a meet, and I don't know this guy at all, but he pulls up with a ruby red, like beautiful freaking paint, GT350 base model. And I go ahead and I'm like, hey, what's up, blah, blah, blah. He had just got the car, and we start hanging out, and then he became one of my best friends. And so later on, we're going to the malls, and he was like, you should let me drive it. We should switch. Because his thing sounded so good and it was stock. And I was like, damn. And so we switched, right? And he's driving around on the road. I'm in the parking lot remembering how to drive manual again. And bro, I fell in love in like 5 minutes. Just the sound of the engine, the feel of the car, everything about it. Oh, bro, 5 minutes? Like literally, as soon as we swapped back, I went and I ordered this car. Like dead ass. Like I ordered that shit on the spot.
This shit hard. I sat in the 500, bro.
Yeah.
That's like, bro. As soon as this YouTube stuff started taking off, bro, I'm finna get me one of those, bro. All right, y'all. That's it for this video, man. What y'all think, bro? This shit's so hard, man. I definitely need a Shelby series, bro. I definitely need a Shelby series, bro. I'm finna keep grinding, y'all. Keep supporting the videos, bro. Hopefully I get me a GT350 or a 500, bro. That's it for this video. Bro, that shit is loud as fuck. Bro, that shit hurts, bro. That shit fucking hurts. Hey, man. Shit, what else I gotta say? I don't even know what to say, bro. That's it for this video, man. Peace.